Okay, guys. So I finished with the upgrade, and it's working, but not as great as I expected it. And the reason is because of the size of the router. Yeah, my bike suggested I going for a 203 millimeter router. But unfortunately, I can't find any of such routers or spare parts to buy in my neighborhood or city. So I'd have to import it online because I had to import this as well. So the only problem here is that it's only it's not really able to have good grip on the rotor. The brake is only scratching the tip. If you can see the mark, yeah, that is how far it's able to grab. So I'm not really getting that experience, that braking experience as such. Though it's working, but it's not as sharp as I expected it to be. So yeah, that's so I just have to get a new router. But for now, yeah, that's it. I'll manage this for the time being until I got enough money to get a new router because a new router costs I think around 20 bucks. So yeah, that is it for now. And the sprocket is 36 teeth sprocket. Sorry, yeah, 36. Yeah, that is 36. 36 tooth. So so far it's okay. It's manageable. Yeah, so that is from the rim brakes to disc brake. All right. If you have any suggestions or uh, anything else you would want to talk about, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll make sure I read everything. Thanks so much.